Hey guys, we're gonna show you a quick how-to on repairing a tire. This one has a nail in it, unfortunately. What you'll need is a tire repair kit. We already prepared it. This is the repair plug. That's what you'll need to do. You'll put it in between the eye of the needle and then just push it backwards. All right, nails coming out. Oh! All right, you're gonna need to use that. It comes with the kit and it basically seals the hole and cleans it. Temporarily seals it. And you gotta keep twisting and turning.
Push it in and out.
You push it in and out. So in and out. And basically cleans the edges, widens the hole a bit so that we can use the repair plug. So you'll need to push until roughly more than a quarter, so 1/3 to half of it goes in. That way you make sure that it's fully sealed. It does have like sticky material on it, so definitely seals the hole. All right, what you guys are gonna need to do now, once it's pushed in, is you're gonna pull it out, and it's gonna be one quick swift move. Don't tug slowly, so pull it. There you go. All right, so it's pretty much, oh, you can't see it.
So
Now you're gonna have to cut it, and you're pretty much set. We don't hear any air coming out. It's a small nail, no biggie. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's how you repair a tire. You can get this tire repair kit from a Walmart, a gas station, pretty much anywhere. There's plenty, or even on Amazon. Thank you for watching.